What's up, guys? It's Steve. So I've decided to go a different direction with the car now because I can't get the engine running, and I'm crawling underneath it to see new things. I discovered some new problems. Just about every gasket's leaking. It needs a serious refresh. So I believe I'm going to start taking the engine out, cleaning everything up, give it some new gaskets, maybe give it some new gaskets. I'm not entirely sure. I may actually go with an LS swap. I haven't 100% decided yet. So we're gonna dive into it today, and we'll see what we come up with. As you can see, it's all crusty and cruddy in here. Everything just needs a refresh, and all the belts are cracking. If I go underneath, when I show you underneath, you'll see the oil pan is leaking from around the oil pan. It's leaking from around the trans, leaking from around the diff. I just did an oil change, but in the on the oil change, like this, some of the stuff's running straight out the bottom of the pan. So it's too pretty of a car not to work on, but yeah, 2003. That's a long time to have not been driving. I believe it needs the full refresh. I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing stuff down and set up a time lapse for you guys to watch. Alright. Sorry for this terrible quality angles here, guys, but this is where I work by myself. I have to do all this stuff by myself, so I don't have much along the lines of camera angles for you. Always make sure you bag and label your parts, because just gotta take out this last screw, this last bolt, and I should be ready to take the fan shroud intakes off, air intake system off. Always make sure that you label your stuff. Well, it's all loose. You can see the mess from the squirrels that lived underneath here. You know, I'll keep plugging at it, and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, finally got it loose. I'm gonna get it out of here. See if I can figure out how to take these clips out without breaking them. Oops. Now guys, it's free. I sort of broke this plug though. Probably gonna be expensive, but I might not even be going with the rotary anymore, so who knows?
Well, now we got a big gaping hole down in here. Look down here. Look at how nasty it is down in here. This is why I want to take it out. You see the focus? See all the spillage down here and some frame rust. There's just shit everywhere.
Alright guys, as you can see, making some progress. Got the shrouds out, battery box out, water pump out, air intake out, not intake, air box out. Yeah, coming along, finally getting on to where I can get the radiator drained and out of here, and that'll probably end up being it for this video. It's about to come out, boys. Just gotta get a couple little fittings that I missed, and it's coming right up. Alright guys, as you can tell, got just about everything out. I'm about ready to start getting the motor mounts. Next time I work on it, I should be able to get it out of here. Look at how it was filthy down in here. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a wrap for the night. You can see I got got most of the cooling system out, ready for motor mounts. Next time I work on it, hopefully next nice day, I'll get it out. But this is going to be the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.